This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 5 part 2. In this series we will cover maximum MCQs of Pakistan Affair. So whether if you will appear for CSS or PMS or any other exam for job recruitment, these MCQs will help you score maximum marks in Pakistan Affair, especially the historical parts of Pakistan Affair. So in this video we will cover 40 MCQs of advent of Europeans in Indian subcontinent. So try to stay tuned with this channel because I will cover maximum syllabus in this series, and in the end of this video I have put some questions, so make sure you answer those questions, and I will put the answer in the comment section so you can check and compare your answer from there, and try to share your marks in the comment section so we can know that you are progressing with this series. So let's start. 41st MCQ is Mir Qasim was defeated by the English in year. Options are 1764, 1760, 1766, 1762. So the right option here is 1764. In 1764, Mir Qasim was defeated by the English. First Mysore war was fought between English and whom? So the options are Tipu Sultan, Hyder Ali, Babur, and Shah Jahan. So the right option here is Hyder Ali. So the first Mysore war was fought between English and the Hyder Ali. First Mysore war was fought in which year? Options are 1764, 1765, 1766, 1667. So the right option here is 1766. So the first Mysore war was fought in year 1766. When Tipu Sultan ascended the throne of Mysore? Options are 1782, 1783, 1784, 1786. So the right option here, right answer here is 1782. In 1782, Tipu Sultan ascended the throne of Mysore. When Warren Hastings was appointed as the Governor General of India? Options are 1721, 1722, 1723, 1724. So the right option here is 1722. In 1722, Warren Hastings was appointed as the Governor General of India. Warren Hastings remained the Governor General of India till which year? Options are 1785, 1786, 1787, 1788. So the right option here is 1785. Till 1785, Warren Hastings had remained the Governor General of India. Guys, these MCQs are more about asking years. So if you find it difficult to remember at first, you can watch this video again to memorize it completely. The 47th MCQ is First Anglo-Maratha War began in 18th May of 1775, 19th May of 1775, 20th May of 1775, 21st May of 1775. So the right option here is 18th May of 1775. In 18th May of 1775, First Anglo-Maratha War was begun. Who was the first Governor General of Indo-Pak? Options are Lord Clive, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Warren Hastings, Lord Mayo. So the right option here is Lord Warren Hastings was the first Governor General of Indo-Pak. When First Anglo-Maratha War was ended? Options are 1781, 1782, 1783, 1784. So the right option here is 1782. In 1782, the First Anglo-Maratha War was ended. Lord Minto was succeeded by who? Options are Morley, Hastings, Maurya, Weaver. So the right option here is Maurya. Lord Minto was succeeded by Maurya. The period of Lord William Bentinck is from 1881 to which year? Options are I think this is there's leave this MCQ, it is not correctly mentioned. The first Sikh war was fought between Sikh and options are British, Dutch, French and Muslims. So the right option here is British. The first Sikh war was fought between Sikh and British. Who consolidated the Sikh power in Punjab? Options are Amar Singh, Ranjit Singh, Ran Singh, Dhanwant Singh. So the right option here is Ranjit Singh. Ranjit Singh first consolidated Sikh power in Punjab. 54th MCQ is Ranjit Singh ruled Punjab with capital. Options are Delhi, Lucknow, Lahore, Texla. So the right option here is Lahore. Ranjit Singh ruled Punjab with capital Lahore. Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed was the founder of which movement? Some of these MCQs I have repeated in previous video. So okay, no problem, let's revise it. Options are Jihad, Nijad, Jalal, Jazba. So Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed was the founder of Jihad movement. When Educational Institute of Delhi was established? So options are 1859, 1860, 1861, 1862. So the right option here is 1860. In 1860, the Educational Institute of Delhi was established. The real name of Tipu Mir was Sayyid Mir Nasir Ali, Sayyid Mir Yasir Ali, Sayyid Mir Abbas Ali, Sayyid Mir Ashar Ali. So the right option here is Sayyid Mir Nasir Ali. Firaizi Tehreek was started in, options are Britain, Bengal, US, Turkey. So the right option here is Bengal. Firaizi Tehreek was started in Bengal. Haji Shariatullah started movement, options are Jihad, Nijat, Firaizi, Jalal. So the right option here is Firaizi. Haji Shariatullah started the movement of Firaizi. British captured Punjab in 1849 after defeating, options are Sikh, Hindus, Muslim, British. So the right option here is Sikh. British captured Punjab in 1849 after defeating Sikhs. The state of Oudh was annexed to British Empire in 1854, 1856, 1858, 1860. So the right option here is 1858. The state of Oudh was annexed to British Empire in 1856. Which act allowed the Indians to compete for civil service jobs? So the right option here is Charter Act of 1833. This MCQ was also repeated in previous video, so that's why I'm just repeating it speedily, because some of these are repeating here. So the right option is Charter Act of 1833. When province of Punjab was annexed to British India? Options are 1848, 1849, 1850, 1851. So the right option here is 1849. In 1849, the province of Punjab was annexed to British India. Who was the last Governor General of Indo-Pak under the British East India Company? Options are Lord Curzon, Lord Canning, Lord Mayo. So the right option here is Lord Canning. The famous battle of Jallianwala, it is not C, it is J. Jallianwala was fought during which war? The famous battle of Jallianwala was fought during which war? Okay, the options are Second Sikh War, Third Sikh War, Fourth Sikh War, Fifth Sikh War. So the right option here is Second Sikh War. Who was the eldest son of Ranjit Singh? It is again repeated. So the eldest son of Ranjit Singh is Kharak Singh. Who succeeded Ranjit Singh? Kharak Singh has succeeded Ranjit Singh. When the British fought a war with the Pindaris? Okay. When the British fought a war with Pindaris? Options are 1810, 1815, 1812, 1814. So the right option here is 1815. In 1815, English fought a war with Pindaris. Peshwa dynasty, it is Peshwa. Peshwa dynasty of Marathas was founded by Bale Vishwanath. It is again repeated. In 1863, Sir Syed established a school. In options are Muradabad, Ghazipur, Delhi, Islamabad. So the right option is Ghazipur. In Ghazipur, 1863, Sir Syed established a school. Sir Syed set up a scientific society at Ghazipur in, options are 1863, 1864, 1865, 1868. So the right option here is 1864. In 1864, Sir Syed set up a scientific society at Ghazipur. 1864 is the right option. Scientific Society translated modern work from, options are English to Urdu, Urdu to English, Persian to Urdu, Arabic to Urdu. So the right option is English to Urdu. I think it is easy MCQs. The Scientific Society established a journal in 1866 known as Muradabad Institute Gazette, Delhi Institute Gazette, Aligarh Institute Gazette, Lucknow Institute Gazette. So the right option is Aligarh Institute Gazette. So the Scientific Society published a journal in 1866 known as Aligarh Institute Gazette. Aligarh Institute Gazette was published in, options are 1862, 1864, 1866, 1868. So the right option is 1866. In 1866, Aligarh Institute Gazette was published. The object of Aligarh Institute Gazette was to, options are, create sentiments of friendship among British for Muslims. Create sentiments of friendship among Muslims for British. Third option is both A and B, and fourth is none of above. So the right option is C. Both A and B are the right option. Third is the right option here. Okay. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan went to England in which year? Options are 1867, 1860, 1869, 1875. So the right option here is 1869. In 1869, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan went to England. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan went to England with his, options are brother, son, friend, cousin. So the right option here is son. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan went to England with his son. So Syed stayed in England for how many years? Options are 5 years, 4 years, 3 years, 2 years. So the right option is 2 years. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan stayed in England for 2 years. During his stay in England, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan closely watched the system of England. Options are social, economics, educational, religious. So the right option here is educational, and it is quite easy MCQ. So Syed Ahmad Khan has closely watched the system of education in England. So Syed was impressed by the educational system of, options are US, Canada, Australia, England. So the right option is England. Guys, these are few of the questions. I have put it on screen, so you can just pause this video and just mention the answer either in your mind or in paper, and then just compare it with the answers in the comment section. Okay, you can just pause this video and solve this question. Thank you so much.